The 2023 Spider Farmer new SF1000 LED grow light is behind me here. Now, I unboxed it in a previous video, and I'll put the link up above so you could refer back to it if you like. It has the Samsung LM310B diodes, high efficiencies. Now, it is 2.5 U-moles per joule, and you may not be familiar with those types of measurements, but what that is efficiency. So for a 100 watt light, the higher efficiency puts out a lot more light and achieves a lot higher PPFDs. So plants grow well. You can grow a little bit wider area in a veg state or young plants, or you can grow fruiting plants, flowering plants extremely well with a high efficiency LED light. Now, this particular light is optimized for a 3 foot by 3 foot grow tent for a veg state, or a 2 foot by 2 foot grow tent for a flowering or fruiting stage. The amount of PPFD drives what is called the daily light integral, and that is a form of measurement that has to do with the amount of light as well as the hours that you run it. Kind of like outdoors, hours of sunlight per day. You can use this particular grow light outside of a grow tent. You will have a little bit of light loss, but not significant. In taking readings, I have the light hung 18 inches above the top of where the young seedling plants are going to be started out. And if curious, with the use of the dimmer knob, I took some readings and found that at 100% power in the middle of the grow area, I'm getting 526 ppfd. At 80% power, 490 ppfd. It doesn't drop off all that much. At 60% power, 318 ppfd. And at 40% power, 213 ppfd. The lower ranges are great for seedlings to young plants, and then the higher ranges at this hang height are great for medium-sized plants. And I'm getting ready to do a 16-week grow journal using this light. The grow container is a 6-gallon Blackmagic grow pail. It recirculates water within it, and it pumps from the bottom up to the top and sprays inward towards the center. By combining that with the grow light, the only thing that I have left to do is to select the perfect plant to test for the 16-week grow journal. Considerations are a Turkish delight eggplant. The reason for that particular selection, no need to pollinate the flowers by myself using manual processes. This particular seedling was started out about 20 days ago, and you could tell that it has significant roots starting to pop through the grow sponge at the moment. This candidate, I think, will be the one that I'll be using for the 16 weeks, and we'll just update on a weekly basis in terms of the size of the plant, how well it's doing, and you'll find out how well hydroponics and advanced grow lights work with growing eggplants indoors.